4 класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 14, часть 1, страница 30-31. English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 14, part number 1, page number 40-41. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 40. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our English lesson. Open your book, please. Page number 40. 30. The stone flower. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Mountain, dreamer. Каменный цветок. Послушай, покажи картинки и проговори слова. Mountain, dreamer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise. Listen and read the story. Послушай и прочитай историю. Danila is a dreamer and he loves walking into the mountains and being close to nature. He is a talented young boy and Prokopich teaches him everything he knows. He loves Danila and treats him like a son. Danila grows into a very handsome young man. One day, Prokopich tells him about the stone flower from Copper Mountain. He tells him it is the most beautiful flower in the world. He says, the mistress of Copper Mountain owns the flower. It is in her magic garden. If you see the flower, you will understand the beauty of stone. From that day on, Danila dreams of seeing the stone flower and thinks about it all the time. The answer. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 31. 31. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and choose A or B. What does Danila like doing? Dreaming. Прочитай историю заново и выбери A или B. Что любит делать Данила? Мечтать. B. What is the most beautiful flower in the world? The stone flower. Какой самый красивый цветок в мире? Каменный цветок. B. Who wants the flower? The mistress of Copper Mountain. Кто владеет цветком? Госпожа. A. Where is the stone flower? In the magic garden. Где находится каменный цветок? В волшебном саду. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Read the story again. Answer the following questions and take notes. Then talk about the story. What does Danila love? Прочитай историю заново, ответь на следующие вопросы и сделай пометки. Затем поговори про историю. Что любит Данила? Danila likes dreaming a lot. Also, he loves walking in the mountains. Who is Прокопич? Кто такой Прокопич? He is a craftsman. What is the most beautiful flower in the world? Какой самый красивый цветок в мире? The stone flower is the most beautiful flower. Who's got it? Кто им владеет? The mistress of Copper Mountain owns the flower. The answer. Danila likes dreaming and walking in the mountains very much. He's a very talented boy. Prokopich takes him into his house and teaches him everything he knows. One day, Prokopich tells him about the most beautiful stone in the world, about stoneflower. Mistress of Copper Mountain owns the flower. It's in her magic garden. From that day, Danila dreams of seeing it. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Dreamer Danila, his head in the clouds. He goes far away from the noise and the crowds. Chase all your dreams, boy. Chase all your dreams, boy. Your dreams are part of you. Make all your dreams come true. Dreamer Danila, he spends every hour dreaming about the magic stone flower. The answer. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.